Hey, this is your boy Proverb. What I represent is empowerment, both of myself and of others. Let us build. This is Slaghuis TV. Stethoscope and I, we're not friends. We had a bit of a, in fact, not a bit, we had a substantial fallout relating to my work. And at the time, I was so precious about my music that anybody who gave me the impression that they were standing in my way of that, I have since cut out. So we cool now, we polite to each other when we see each other, and that's about it. It's not likely that we'll work together again.